We know how to launch a hub. We also know how to register nodes. The only thing left is how do we run our test on the node. To run test on the node, we need to send the browser version, and platform that we want to the hub. We can send this information through the desired capabilities. Let's drag and drop the Traveling Tony folder into Sublime Text. Let's expand the Sublime Text window, expand the project, and expand the test folder. Here you have 3 tests: search product test, send request test, and share on Facebook test. The search product test, like its name indicates, searches for a product. The send request test sends a request from the contact page, and the share on Facebook test shares a product on Facebook. So we are going to run these 3 tests on the node. First, we are going to go to the base test case file where we define our drivers. So the first thing that I'm going to do is import desired capabilities. So I'm going to write from Selenium that WebDriver that common that desired capabilities, import desired capabilities. Next, we are going to send the desired capabilities through a dictionary. So I'm going to write capabilities equals empty dictionary. If the browser that we want to test is Firefox, we are going to write capabilities equals desired capabilities that Firefox that copy. And now we can specify the capabilities that we want. We want to test on the Mac platform, so I'm going to write capabilities platform equals Mac. I want to test Firefox version 30.0 since this is the version that is running on my computer. So I'm just going to write capabilities version Next, we are going to define the driver. So self.driver is going to be equal to WebDriver.remote. Here we are going to instantiate a remote object with the desired capabilities that we want. So we are going to write desired capabilities equals capabilities. And we are going to send these capabilities to the hub. So I'm going to write command executor is going to be the hub, and our hub is at HTTP localhost. The hub is listening on port 4444. Okay. So we are going to do the same thing for Chrome and AI. So I'm just going to do a lot of copy and paste. So if the browser is Chrome, the desired capability is going to be desired capabilities.chrome. Here we don't need to specify the version. You can just specify the platform. If the browser that we want to test is AI, capability is going to be equals to desired capabilities that Internet Explorer that copy. And here we can pass the version. First, the platform is going to be equal to Windows, and let's say we want to test version 9. Of course, you can only test AI on a Windows machine. So that's pretty much it. Let's save it and let's run our test. So before running our test, we have to start the hub. The hub is started. Now we need to register the node. The node is registered. So next we need to run the test. So I'm going to open a new terminal window. Let me minimize these windows here. And I'm going to cd into the traveling Tony folder, cd into the test folder, and we are going to run our test by writing nose test verbosity equals 2, which is going to run all the tests. And our test passed here.